And welcome to Kilpeck Church, a true gem nestled in the picturesque countryside of Herefordshire. Officially known as the Church of St. Mary and St. David, this remarkable building is celebrated as one of the finest examples of Norman architecture in England. Today we'll explore the history, artistry and unique charm of this treasured site. Kilpeck Church dates back to the early 12th century, built around 1140 during the reign of King Stephen. It was commissioned by Hugh de Kilpeck, a local nobleman, and served as part of a small priory attached to the Abbey of Gloucester. While the priory has long disappeared, the church itself has stood the test of time, retaining its original layout and much of its intricate stonework. The south doorway is perhaps the most iconic feature of Kilpeck Church. Its elaborate carvings are a masterpiece of the Herefordshire School of Sculpture, a group of highly skilled craftsmen renowned in the 12th century. The doorway is framed by arches adorned with intricate designs intertwining foliage, mythical creatures and biblical scenes. Each detail holds a story blending Christian symbolism and pagan influencing. Another standout feature is the series of corbels encircling the roof. These small carved stone brackets depict a fascinating array of figures, some humorous, some grotesque. You'll find everything from animals and human faces to mythical beings like the Sheila Nagig, a figure shrouded in mystery and interpreted as in various ways over the centuries. Stepping inside Kilpeck Church, you're greeted by a simple yet serene interior. The soft light filtered into the 19th century stained glass windows illuminates the ancient stone walls. While the interior lacks the ornate carvings of the exterior, it offers a quiet sense of spirituality, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. The altar area is modest yet captivating, framed by a beautiful preserved chancel arch. The church Norman font, carved from a single block of stone, stands as a testament to the craftsmanship of the period. It's easy to imagine the generation of villagers who gathered here for baptisms, weddings and other ceremonies. Beyond its architectural beauty, Kilpeck Church is deeply connected to its surroundings. The churchyard, with its ancient yew trees, offers stunning views of the rolling Herefordshire hills. This tranquil setting enhances the sense of timelessness and that defines Kilpeck. Kilpeck Church is more than just a historical monument. It's a living piece of heritage, cherished by locals and admired by visitors from around the world. Whether you're drawn by the architectural splendour, its rich history, or its peaceful atmosphere, a visit to Kilpeck is a journey back in time, a chance to experience the enduring legacy of the Norman era. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Kilpeck Church. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. Here.